Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Sin. You guys, today we are shopping. We are going through our IKEA store and we are currently at the Big Lot store. So I want to come in and look at some of the patio furniture to see what pieces that I might find that I would like to incorporate in this backyard. And you guys, there are so many nice things at the Big Lot store. I think this is an often overlooked store when you're talking about patio furniture and things like that. They have so many things in here, from the faux flowers to the carpets to the faux grass to fireplaces, fire pits, tables, all these beautiful vases, and also the pergolas and gazebos. You guys, there are so many things in this store that you can put together to make your own outdoor space come alive. And so you've seen me do so many things in my yard, from the cleaning the concrete, the pressure washing, cleaning the wall, as you see the hupster doing now. Now you're gonna start seeing me move into more things like purchasing the furniture, finding the right gazebo, placing the flower pots that I've already have that are filled with beautiful, gorgeous flowers. You saw me in the last video where I stained the stair banister for the stairs going up to the top level, and where I did the DIY on the lanterns that I've had in my yard for so many years now. And so now you're gonna see me start putting some of these things together. We're building a wall up top in the back. That's gonna be a really nice addition to this backyard. We're gonna go ahead and stage the top level. Up top, the grass is actually growing. You saw us when we cut the sod and we replaced this new sod, which is the tall fescue. If anyone knows what the tall fescue is, you know that it is a really hard grass to keep up, because it likes nothing but cool shade all throughout the yard. And so we had some spots where the sun had just really torn that grass up, and this is the area that you're looking at now. And so you guys, there's a lot that's going on in this yard. Tomorrow we have some dirt that will be delivered here. We have our stones for the wall that's going up top in the back. And then we're going to go ahead, once we finish the wall, I am actually going to start on building this outdoor fireplace. I did go ahead and get a last quote for another fireplace, you guys. They wanted to charge me $8,000. I thought that I would be able to find somebody that was a little bit more reasonable, maybe about $4,000 or $5,000 in that park. But this is a rather small fireplace, you guys. I'm not talking about one of those big massive ones. I'm talking about a smaller fireplace, a smaller intimate fireplace, just for that top area, square area where the pergola is, where the pavilion is. And so, as you know, that area is only a 16 by 16 piece of concrete up there. And so that fireplace don't need to be humongous. And so I just believe myself that $8,000 is not, you know, an adequate price. It's just, to me, that's overpricing for someone who's only doing the labor. Like, I'm still buying all of the items, all the equipment and the supplies that they need. The only thing they're doing is basically the labor. And I just feel like $8,000 just for labor is something that I can do myself, and I can save $8,000. I can actually be touring across the world somewhere on a elaborate cruise or something like that with $8,000. And so I have decided that I'm just going to take that project on. But you guys, stay tuned. We're about to go in the store, and we're about to go into IKEA and let you see what the IKEA has in store for us. I am going into IKEA because I want to find something for the patio. I'm looking for patio options. And so we're going to browse through some other things as we go through, but I'm just recapping. This video is all about the recap of the previous videos you've seen. As you know, I just celebrated my birthday. Me and the hubster, we went out for dinner for the birthday at Capital Grill, and I love Capital Grill. And this was something that we did, and we decided to go out for a nice little dinner. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys, and some of the things that we did, the experience we had is wonderful. When you go to Capital Grills, how they love to help you celebrate your birthday. And so yeah, you guys, I am a year older, and so I'm just so blessed to see another year, another birthday. And so I just, wanted to share that with you guys. Please, if you're new to this channel, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. For all of my subbies, welcome, 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 and hello to all of you. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. And if you haven't seen the past 3 videos that I have uploaded within the last week or so, please go ahead and click on those videos. There are part 1 and part 2 of the backyard refresh, and then I did a little DIY project for the backyard. So there's 3 other videos prior to this video. So we're gonna go ahead, you guys, and do the quick little walkthrough through Ikea. The first video you saw, that was in the Big Lots store, and as you see, as you saw, that there are plenty of things in that store to keep me interested. I may go back and buy some pieces from that store, but then I'm also looking for some things in Ikea, and I'm also on Amazon and Wayfair and some of the other online shopping stores that I can purchase some things together to put this whole entire theme or backyard together. And I still have to put furniture together. I have furniture upstairs that I went to North Carolina to pick up, and we still have to take those out of the boxes and actually put those pieces together. And so, you guys, this is me on the day after my birthday. Me and my sisters, we were going out to a new Mexican spot called Frida's out in Fayetteville, Georgia. I wanted to go see what all the hype was about, and so we went out to go get some margaritas and some other things, and just to enjoy the night. And so, you guys, I am so happy to be back. I'm trying to keep these videos rolling. I have a lot of video and a lot of content stored in my phones that I need to just get out. I need to push them out. And so bear with me as I do that. And yeah, we're gonna keep it rolling, you guys. I'm gonna keep it rolling while I got the momentum, and mom is feeling well and feeling good, and so we're gonna keep all of this stuff pushing out the videos and moving forward. So ta-ta, see you in the video. I hope you guys enjoy this Ikea shopping spree. See you in the next video. Ciao.
And she's on sunrise.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to I just want you close to me. Though we have a rivalry, we've been on this battlefield. Will you just take off your shield? Please just take off your shield. Out of food and gasoline, fighting like we are machines, but we're just scraps and broken wheels. So would you just take off your shield? Please just take off your shield. I'm not fighting anymore. Neither one of us are winning this old stupid war. So I'm not fighting anymore. I'm throwing all my weapons down on this bedroom floor. So be my honey once again, and let's be lovers till the end. Remember how the good times feel, and just take off your shield. Honey, just take off your shield. What you want tonight? Go crazy. Come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby. You know. Oh, baby. What you want tonight? Go crazy. Come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby. You know. You know. Oh, baby, what you want tonight? Go crazy. Come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby. You know.
But tonight we on the fire, yeah, we in the flow. Days seem long and I wonder why. Cause every time I see you, every time I wanna be near you, you out of my world, girl.
Oh, baby, what you want tonight? Go crazy. Come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby. You know. Oh, baby, what you want tonight? Go crazy. Come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby. You know. Start. Ooh, yeah. Start fire. Start. Ooh, yeah. Oh, baby, what you want tonight? Go crazy. Come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby. You know. Oh, baby, what you want tonight? Go crazy. Come on, let's start a fire.
time I see you, every time I wanna be near you. You light up my world, girl, 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 girl.
Oh, baby, what you want tonight? Go crazy, come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby, you know, you know, you know, you know. Oh, baby, what you want tonight? Go crazy, come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby, you know, you know, you know, you know. Start. Ooh, yeah. Start fire. Start. Ooh, yeah. Oh, baby, what you want tonight? Go crazy, come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby, you know, you know, you know, you know. Oh, baby, what you want tonight? Go crazy, come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby, you know, you know, you know, you know.
Time I see you, every time I wanna be near you. You light up my world, girl, 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 girl.
Oh, baby, what you want tonight? Go crazy, come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby, you know, you know, you know, you know. Oh, baby, what you want tonight? Go crazy, come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby, you know, you know, you know, you know. Start. Ooh, yeah. Start fire. Start. Ooh, yeah. Oh, baby, what you want tonight? Go crazy, come on, let's start a fire. Oh, baby, you know, you know.